Yeah, good morning. I'm looking at your spreadsheet here, and I'm going across and looking at your gross pay, your formula here. I'm then looking at your federal tax formula, state tax percentage, and net pay. And I'm not sure where you got these formulas from, but these are very inaccurate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete all of these formulas and start over. So let's go down to this location here, press my delete key on the keyboard, and now we're going to go ahead and be in cell G4. Now I'm on page EX67 of the textbook. Direction number 1 in the bottom left hand corner says with cell G4 selected, and you can always tell what cell you have selected by this location here. And we can then see that we have G4 selected there as well. And it tells us to start with an equal sign, 0.22, multiply, and then we're going to do a little algebra here. So we need a parentheses to start our formula. And then I'm going to go ahead and switch the page or flip it over to EX68. Direction number 2 says, type the, let's see here, did I miss a step? Hold on one second. Oh, and then I was supposed to click in cell F4. I apologize that was on the previous page. Click on cell F4. So there we go. We've clicked on cell F4 and it went and it put it into my formula here. Now I'm flipping the page to EX68 and now it tells me to type my minus key. And it then tells me to click in cell C4. So I'm going to go ahead and go down here because it depends on how many dependents we have. Minus C4. And then it says to type a multiplication symbol, 24.32, and end the algebraic function. And let's go ahead and press the enter key. So we should have $268.46 or 47 cents after it gets rounded up. So then it says to go, and I'm on direction number 3 now, and we're going to go ahead and be in cell H4. H4, and it tells me to type the to start the formula equals 0.04 times, and then click the cell F4 reference because we're always going to go back to our gross pay, F4 reference. And now it tells us to go ahead and hit the enter button here. We can check that. And our state tax was $50.75-ish cents. And so looking at the text, it looks like we're doing good so far. So I'm going to go ahead and have you then continue with your tax percentage. Now again, that's on direction number 4 on page EX68. So go ahead and do what it asks you to do for the entire scenario. And when you get done, you can highlight through all of those numbers using the white plus, and then you can drag that formula down. And obviously I don't have my tax percentage or my net pay, but now my numbers are looking a little bit more like the textbook. So please go ahead and follow through with those formulas. And if you have any other question, please go ahead and definitely attach your spreadsheet. But also let me know what page that you started seeing your problem start to exist. So, all right, have a great day, and it's going to be a beautiful weekend. Get outside and enjoy yourself.